What's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, people, we got an awesome freebie that you should download, especially considering that the weekend is getting close. What's up, Jackie? What's up, Jonathan? What's up, Adrian? Jan? What's up, everybody? Hopefully, you guys are getting geared up for the weekend because it is almost here. Now, we got an awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of the watch face is going to be called RCP DigiPro Gear Sport. Now, this one is nice for a casual wear, a weekend wear. Even in the AOD mode, this watch face looks super nice for the Gear S2 and the Gear S3. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like the sun with the sky in the background. Up at the top, you're going to get information like your heart rate. You're going to get your digital time, which is very legible, and you're going to also get the calendar right up under that. Now, opposite of that, on the right-hand side, you will get your battery info, step info, your steps, and also your calories burned. So you're going to get everything that you need within this watch face to make it super convenient for the weekend. And yes, people, it is interactive as well. So if you need to get your heart rate information, you can. Step information also. And I thought this was definitely a good look for a freebie for the weekend. Question is, what do you think? All right, you all, you know what to do. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night.